Good afternoon all. Yesterday we discussed electrohydraulics and electropneumatics. In that we discussed the different switches, that is limit switch, what is the different limit switch, and what is the reed switches. Today we'll discuss the proximity sensors. Yesterday we discussed also the introduction of sensors. Now today we'll discuss proximity sensor. Proximity sensor is a contactless type sensor that detects the presence of an object. Using the detection system, convert this information into the corresponding electrical signal. One of the type of detection system uses the eddy current that are generated in a metallic sensing object by interaction of detection system on the object. Another type detects the changes of electrical capacity of capacitor in the detection system when an object approaches the sensor. Yet another type detects the objects through the variety of optical properties according to there are three basic types of proximity sensor. One is inductive type sensor, second is capacitive type, and third is optical type. Now this is the diagram for inductive type sensor, schematic diagram of that inductive sensor. That is sensor orifice. Okay, this target. Okay, now let us see the inductive type of sensor first, proximity sensor. Inductive type of proximity sensors are widely used in modern high-speed industrial and process control systems for detection of metallic object. This is the important point. An inductive proximity sensor consists of following blocks: one, an oscillator circuit; second is switching circuit; third is amplifier; and fourth is an output stage. All the housed in the regions are encapsulated body. The part of oscillator circuit in a coil capable of producing high frequency magnetic oscillation in the active switch area when the rated voltage is applied to the sensor. If any metallic object is brought near to that active switching area, the sensor eddy current are generated in the object and the eddy current are converted into the heat. In fact, this loss of draws of energy from oscillator. As a result, the oscillations are weakened. The switching circuit converts the state of oscillator into the clear signal through the switching stage. Finally, the output is amplified and delivered to the load circuit. Sensing range of inductive proximity sensor is usually small type of typically up to 12 mm. This is the application of that inductive sensor. Next is time delay relays or timers. Time delay relays or timers is another control device used to obtain specified time delay between the work operation and industrial system. An electrical timer mainly consists of a coil, control contacts, and an electronic unit for realizing the required time delay. The delay can be set on the timer using the potentiometer in the electronic circuit. The contact operation can be delayed either when the coil is energized or when the coil is de-energized. Accordingly, there are two basic types of timers. They are one delay timer, and off delay timer. On delay and off delay timer. These following are: on delay timer is nothing but delays the operation of its contacts for say t seconds while the coil is energized on, but the timer brings back contacts immediately to their normal positions when the coil is de-energized. Okay, thank you. In the next lecture, we will discuss the PLC. What are the programmable logic controllers and what are the uses of PLC? Thank you.